10?
They're gonna have like hot chocolate or coffee or something.
Yeah, the hot chocolate is warming, folks. Good morning. Which team is this? Who do you represent?
The llama launcher.
The Llama Launchers. Okay, and which school are you with?
School of Innovation.
School of Innovation. Okay, whose machine is this?
No, I can't. It's so heavy.
Is this your machine?
Yes, it is.
Who are you guys with?
The School of Innovation.
Okay, what's your team name?
Hoppy's Happy Home.
All right, so we're getting set up. We got another team moving here. We got teams moving like crazy.
Hi, Joey. Joey's here.
Good morning, everybody. There's somebody who dressed for the weather. Which team is this?
West Geauga.
West G. What's the team name? Do you know?
This is American Platypi and Out of Our Gourds.
American Platypi and Out of Our Gourds, a fitting name for this morning.
Yes.
Good morning. And this is?
This is the Dickey family with my lovely wife, Deanna.
Hello, Deanna.
RD.
All right, and looks like we have a Merlin
Yes, we
machine.
do. Our launcher has not yet arrived, but Christian is soon to be here.
Fantastic.